Well, folks, we got a pretty good little snow here on the eve of the 25th, and this is all what it looks like. I'm standing here with, I think about 11, 12-inch boots. They're calf-high boots, and they're almost all the way up. Those drifts are almost all the way up to the top of my boots, and we've got beautiful, beautiful snow. Big snow here in Arkansas. I think you could call it a blizzard because we had some pretty high winds too, and some snow thunder, some big booms last night. We'll go around and look at the front of the house.